Missing My Grammy Grandmother by Alfonza Hobbie. Today is the saddest day. It makes me cry and say, I miss my dear Grammy because she has passed away. Grammy, how I missed you. I don't know what to do. I feel so sad that you're not here and I cannot be with you. There's something I want to say, Grammy. I love you with all my heart, but I don't know if you can hear me now that we're apart. Mommy says to write you a letter and tell you all the things that I feel. She says that you will hear my words and my heart will start to heal. So Grammy, here's my letter to you. There's so much I have to say. I hope that you will hear my words so that my pain will go away. To my Grammy, I love the sound of your name. Whenever you come to visit me, I'm so very glad you came. Grammy, you are like no other. I could give you 1,000 hugs, one after another. I love it when you came to stay. We would sit and watch TV all day, and afterwards we'd laugh, talk, and play. You would knit, and I would watch TV. We'd dream about all the things I wanted to be. I told you I'd fly amongst the stars, and maybe meet some kids from Mars. Grammy, I really love you a lot. Deep within my heart, you hold a special spot. Sometimes you would bake cookies and cakes. Oh, the magic you would make. Your chocolate chip cookies were the best, and your magic tricks were grand. Whenever you came to visit me, I had the greatest cookies and the best sleight of hand. I hate bath time, if you know what I mean. But with a few bubbles from my Grammy, I get squeaky clean. Every night a bubble bath, bubbles everywhere, splish, splash. Then you tuck me into bed real tight, read me a story, and say goodnight. I'm so glad you're here at night when I'm scared or blue. When the monsters know that my Grammy is here, they all bid me a very sad adieu. Grammy, you are such a treasure. Every moment I spend with you brings me so much pleasure. But now that you are gone, I grow sadder every day. Because you are not here with me to chase those ghosts away. Mom says I must be brave because you're always here. She says that you are not far away and your love will always be near. Although I'm sad, there's one thing that I know. My love for you, Grammy, will always grow. Grammy, even though you're far away, in my heart you'll always stay. Writing these words to you and creating this letter, I think Mom was right. I feel much better.